loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. I hope you are having an amazing week. For today's video, I thought I would do 3 DIYs, obviously keeping it in the whole ethnic, boho, tribal vibe that I love so much. I did 3 of them, so 2 of them are wall hangings and 1 of them is an accent piece. And I just think that they work perfectly styled together. You can totally separate them and do whatever it is that you guys want. I'm just suggesting what I did with them, but I'm so happy of how they turned out. I love them and they just work beautifully in my home. I hope you love them as much as I do. So without further ado, we're gonna jump right into this video. Enjoy. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed these 3 DIYs. Obviously, comment down below. You already know I love to hear your feedback, your comments, which one was your favorite. For my next video, I was thinking of starting to bring out the Christmas stuff. I know some of you are going to be like, girl, it hasn't even been Halloween and you're already starting with the Christmas stuff. But you guys know I love Christmas. It is my favorite holiday, and I think that's why I love to do DIYs for Christmas. I don't connect as much with Halloween. I love the fall season, but Halloween is not my favorite holiday, so maybe that's why I feel less creative when it comes to that. But Christmas, it is my favorite holiday, so I wanted to do some decorations a little in advance so you get inspired for when you're going to do your Christmas tree or some of your ornaments. I want to be a little bit ahead, so comment down below, let me know if you want to see some Christmas decorations. I'm thinking maybe the next video is going to be either my Christmas trees or starting to put things up. Anyway, thank you so much for all your love, your support, your thumbs up, your comments, all of it. it. You already know it means the world to me, and I love you so much. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.